Yeah, I am so frustrated. Here's a story time, ne? So remember the clip that I did of a car, of a Jetso T2. It was content, but immediately when I got into that car, I fell in love with it. 2 weeks later, I spoke to the sales lady, and the sale went through, took the car home. It was a Saturday, and from that Saturday, on Wednesday, I was nicely going to a meeting. The car broke down. It just wasn't starting. Phoned roadside. They took the car, went to check what the problem was, and they said that it was the gauge that was not reading. So now the car didn't have petrol, and that is why it didn't start. Okay, fine. So then I think to myself, because it's a brand new car and it hasn't even been a week since it's been in my possession, so why don't you give me another new car? Yabo? Because as a customer, I have, according to the Customer Protection Act, you can either replace it, repair it, or refund. So I'm still willing to give a Jeto brand a chance, but let's start on a new slate with another new car. They refused, right? Jeto South Africa said Jeto Potchefstroom, because that's where I bought the car. Jeto Potchefstroom is the one that is supposed to make the decision. Jeto Potchefstroom says Jeto South Africa is going to decide. We had a quarrel even with the dealer principal because I felt so disrespected, right? They fixed the car, they gave me a courtesy car, fine. Friday, I am giving the impression that they are giving me a brand new car as I had requested, but no, they gave me the same car. We are in the same car now. I'm supposed to be in Potchefstroom because Babum Simang generously invited me to his church so that I can go and invite Abazalwane to my show that is at Wild Coast on the 27th of June. We are now stuck on the freeway. The safety of my kids. We all can't sit up straight. I'm so frustrated because they disrespected me. You know, I understand business and I understand that things like this can happen to anyone. But I specifically requested, had Jeto Potchefstroom dealer principal agreed to my request of a new car, this wouldn't happen. You guys wouldn't even be seeing this video because I was willing to give the car a chance. Even this one, I was willing to keep it because I was like, I don't have time to fight. I've got shows, I've got a family, I've got a life to live, and I'm a happy person. Every day I'm happy. So anything that has to do with fighting and laws and whatnot, I'm gonna let it go. I decided to give this car a chance. It broke down again. It doesn't start. We are now stuck here, man. This is what it does. It just goes and then it stops. I can't get to my gig now. What about the safety kids? The safety.
Ave iphoxa le moto lezo J bona labo Jeto o J Cool ngoba zinhle, they're very nice to look at, kodwa abantu bayakhala ukuthi ziyahlupha. And I think into ekhalisa abantu kakhulu ukuthi once sewuyithengile imoto isikuhlupha, then when you go back to ama dealerships to ask for help ababe besakusiza, kuvele kube inkinga yakho nje. And ngisho ngakuthiwa you are still within that I think it's 60 days after the purchase abakusizi with these cars. I think that's the most disappointing part. So unonto arinaye she's going through the same thing where she bought the car, but mase kufanele ayidrive imoto ayisasebenzi ngendlela belindele ngayo. Mayicomplain ethi ucela bamnike imoto entsha, abafuna ukumnika imoto entsha, bafuna ukulungisa le. Mina ngisola ukuthi bebevele beyazi le moto ukuthi inenkinga ethile, and they were happy to get rid of it. Ke vele ke zonke zinenkinga efanayo, they know ukuthi uma bemnika imoto entsha nayo le izomhlupha futhi. Guys, ake nibe honest, laba abadriver ley'moto lezi bona oJetro, oJayco, ninjani, zinjani, ziniphethe kanjani ley'moto? Are they exaggerating laba bathi ene ziyahlupha noma ngempela ziyahlupha? Because baningi abantu abayidrayivayo ley'moto, baningi abantu abazithengile. Yeah, but now and then uzwe stories kanje where people are not happy with the car, and then when they try to get help from dealerships, ama-dealerships awabasizi. Anyways, you guys, asihlangane kwi-comment section. Goodbye.